So what can we do about it? One, we want to pre-screen our drivers. We want to make sure we have a driver safety program in place. Doesn't have to be lengthy. We want to make sure we're not using our cell phones. We want to make sure we have good, clean motor vehicle records because the insurance companies are looking at this stuff. We want to bundle it with your general liability and your workers' comp. Giving more dollars to the same insurance company and having that loyalty is going to ultimately afford you a lower commercial auto premium, right? We want to keep that down, and we want to work with a single point of contact in our office to make sure that everybody's working together and we all understand what's going on. God forbid you have to put a claim in for a single accident on multiple policies and it's it's in different offices. It's going to make things to be a pain in the butt. So putting everything together is going to be super important. The next one is we want to use our technology, right? There's GPS technology, there's telematics is the big buzzword. Dash cams are super easy to buy and set up. Even Ring has a dash cam now, right? Putting some technology in place in your vehicle, spend the extra couple $100s a year is going to help you know whether your drivers are doing the right thing, if they're at the right job sites. And if an accident does occur, we have it recorded and on video, especially if we're not at fault. We can use that to bring to court. We can use that to send to the insurance company and say, hey, here's the video, here's the dash cam video of what happened. We also see the cab videos, the cameras on both sides, so you see what's going on. Super important. Make sure your drivers know and they sign off on that you have digital recording devices, whether it be GPS or on their phones or via a dash cam telematics style device, because we need to have full disclosure when it comes to these things. So let's get together, talk about whatever we can talk about with respect to your commercial auto, your business insurance. We want you to be profitable. We want to help you be more profitable. And it's up to us to help you reduce those costs, both in insurance premium and claim costs when it comes down to your accidents for your automobile or your workers' compensation. So Aaron Levine, LG Insurance, happy to help with all things business insurance and risk management and reduction.